guys, so this is the day before the meet. We're gonna go right now to wash the truck. It's really dirty. We're gonna be cold starting the truck right now. I never showed you guys how the cold start sounds. La truck. We're gonna give it a quick wash right now. It's really dirty, as you can see. It's really dirty. Honestly, don't even know how it gets dirty. It's under this roof. It gets, I don't know if it finds a way to get dirty, but yeah, look, you can see. We're gonna give it a good wash. Fix that. I think they're popping out like the glue fell off. I gotta fix that. It's dirty in here too. I'll show you guys a quick before and I'll show you guys the after over there at the car wash. You can see the hood. Está cagada de freaking bird. I need to get a window tint the front ASAP. Probably gonna do a video on that, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, here's a little before. The truck, even the sunroof, all dirty. Alright guys, so we're at the car wash already. I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse so I don't bore you guys, you know. You start up the truck. Alright guys, so I just rinsed down the truck, and the only bad thing about having this tub and doghouse is this, look, se queda la pinche agua. And I'm gonna do like another enjuagada right now. I'm gonna do another enjuagada and try to get this shit off like into those little holes. I'm gonna try my best to see what's up. Pero ya va quedando la truck all washed. We'll do another rinse down para que esté bien limpiadita. Taquachi can't even take a break. Look, they're already waiting for me. But yeah, we're just gonna fucking secarla Y ya va a estar lista. My sister's gonna help me. She's cleaning the back rooms right now. I'm gonna air it out, then we're gonna clean the rest. I think I'm gonna clean the interior too. I haven't cleaned it for a good minute. Look, as you can see, look, it's all dirty. Probably vacuum it after this. But yeah, ahí está. Catch you guys when it's done. Alright guys, ya quedó la truck. I'm in love with these freaking lights. I'm not gonna lie, I'm freaking in love with them. Shout out to Dynamic Customs. Follow them for any truck needs. He drops trucks, he does lights, conversions, everything. Go hit him up, Dynamic Customs. Ya quedó la truck, ya están los rims all clean. Give it to my sister. Está lista para mañana. A ver cómo se pone. Ahí está la truck. Es para un desmadre mañana. Just a little kickback video. Need to change that freaking third brake light. He said I haven't changed that shit because I got the truck, but ahí está. Just in case you guys didn't know, I got a ticket for freaking exhaust. Fix it ticket, but fuck the freaking cars. I ain't gonna fix that shit. I'm gonna leave it like that. But yeah, ahí está the truck. Let's sit on. Alright guys, so it's already 10:30 and I got on my break right now, but I'm not gonna go back to work. I have work, but I'm not gonna go. So we're gonna be heading out right now. You already know I gotta be rep the SA truck, so we're gonna go to the meet right now. Peep the fit. But yeah, don't mind my hair, I haven't cut it in a good minute. But ya que. So let's go right now downstairs and to the meet. Alright guys, so we just came for a quick pit stop. The truck was all empty. Just a little bit. I'll go light nomás. $10 on number 6 please. We're gonna head out right now after we fill up. Truck looking finally clean, sparkling. Just came for a quick little pit stop. I got little munchies. I saw that truck, but guess what? I was in the freeway and I accidentally hit something. And this thing got bent. Look, as you can see, look. I had to bend it a little bit out, but that shit was ugly. I got hella scared. I thought like the whole thing bent or something. But yeah, we're like 5 minutes away from the meet. We're gonna go right now. Ver qué pasa, baby, if it cracks or not. Right guys, we just made it to the meet right now. It's not a truck. She looks ugly, what happened? But whatever, ya que we can't complain. Start todos los trucks pulling up.
Échale como Tommy. Puro CTI Records. Mi Dios es todopoderoso y mis ajudas Tadeo, y el animal del Malverde y San Martín Caballero son los que a mí me protegen, siendo hijos de mafiosos. Y a quienes quede este saco saben de qué me refiero. Unos están en la tumba, unos están tras las rejas, otros siguen en la mafia, cuidando bien su pellejo. De Tijuana a Tamazula, de Jalisco a Culiacán, dicen que en las madrugadas un avión mira pasar en el rancho de Coloma, siempre soy aterrizar. Marca como son. Qué alegres se ven los plebes cuando lo miran llegar. Andan todos enfierrados, no les gusta lamentar. En puros carros blindados siempre les gusta pasear. Y el cabal y es el amigo que les voy a presentar. Cuando su apodo se escucha, el sol empieza a temblar. Mucho les cuidan la espalda, siempre han sido a todo dar. Y hay hombres con mucha fuerza y otros con mucho valor, pero les falta el cerebro y al jabalí le sobró. Con vientilos primavera la corona se llevó. Cuando agarra la parranda, siempre le tocan la banda, le tocan puros corridos, como el Jerez o Machaca, con amigos y mujeres, disfruta de la paseada. Y amigos de Sinaloa, si lo quieren saludar, en Tamazula, Durango, donde lo pueden.
Alright guys, we're gonna do a little mini video shoot for the truck. Stay tuned for that little video. Acá en Tiza.
Dice infierno. La troca está al suelo, así es como la navego. Digan lo que digan, es mi gusto y mi dinero. Con una plumita de stickers voy consumiendo. con comprobarles eso.